Why does such a large percent of auto repair shops struggle to get new customers? They haven't tried door-to-door marketing yet. At Take One Marketing, we specialize in door-to-door campaigns that are tailor-made for auto repair shops. Imagine flyers designed to pop and printed to perfection, landing directly in the hands of potential customers in your neighborhood. With our targeted reach, you're not just casting a wide net, you're reaching households most likely to need your services. Our eye-catching designs grab attention and drive action, resulting in a significant bump in calls, appointments, and repeat business. From consultation to delivery, we make it easy and effective. High-quality flyers, live GPS tracking, and photo verification ensure your message gets delivered perfectly every time. Don't take our word for it. Auto repair shops like yours are seeing a significant bump up in growth in their customer base. And for a limited time, new clients get a special discount on their first campaign. Don't let your competition leave you in the dust. Contact Take One Marketing now and watch your customer base grow. Boost your auto repair business and get started today.